is Fani Rahmawati, NIM 6324262, Accounting. Here I want to give my opinion about cigarettes or smoking. Okay, cigarettes in Indonesia are no stranger to men and even women smoke. Cigarettes themselves can make use addictive. Many people even say they can reduce our stress. But cigarettes are still dangerous. Why are they dangerous? Because if smoke cigarettes, and we definitely omit cigarette smoke, cigarette smoke contains lots of chemicals. One of which is toxic substance, which can cause the risk of cancer, asthmatic, lungs problems, and even fatal consequences can cause death. So, I hope we can all take care of your sleep. One of which is by staying away from cigarettes, never trying or going near cigarettes, because once we try, we will continue to try and are becoming addicted. Love your sleep by staying away from cigarettes. Maybe that's all I can say. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. Hi, back again with me, Fani Rahmawati. Okay, here I will explain about the simple present. Introduce Fani Rahmawati 6324 10 62. Accounting, Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika. Introduction. English is the most widely spoken language in the world. This language is the mother tongue of more than 400 million people throughout the world. The word English itself comes from the eponymous angle, the name of Earth Germany. Tribe that is thought to originate from the Angelin region in Jutland, now northern Germany. Description: simple person is used to talk about something common, something that happens over and over again, or a general truth. Simple present tense is the most commonly used everyday tense. To originate that a tense is simple present tense, there are several ways that can be done. One of which is that the sentence use a basic form of verb. Simple present tense is divided into two tension patterns, namely verbal simple present and nominal simple present tense. Okay. Structure: simple present tense is divided into verbal simple present and nominal simple present. Verbal simple present tense uses verbs that show an action, while nominal simple present uses the verb to be. Verb simple present, the s and the verbs in only used on the subject he, she, and it. There are first for the s suffix and the way to know which word use the s and s suffix is if the verb ends in Y and the letter before Y is a vowel, then the verbs add as. Nominal simple present. To be, am is used for the subject I. To be is used for the subject he, say, it. To be, are is used for subject I, you, they, we. Example, he drinks milk at breakfast. She only eats bread. They watch television regularly. My friends go to school together and the school bell rings on time. For example, verb 1, expect, verb 2, expect, accepted, verb 3, accepted, verb 1, order, verb 2, ordered, verb 3, ordered, and other. Okay. Third person singular tense. In the simple present tense, the third person singular of a verb changes by adding s or s to the form of the verb. Add s. Most verbs add s to the end the verb. For example, the runs, she climbs, and it rhymes. Add s instead of is if the base form of the verb s, z, x, c, ch are the verb you but now. For example, was, becomes, was, remove, y, and add is if the base form of the verbs ends in consonant y. Remove the y and add is. For example, study becomes studies. Common adverbs of frequency. Common frequency in English is an adverb of frequency used to express how often an activity is done. Example of adverbs of frequency in English are always, selalu, usually, biasanya, informally, biasanya, often, sering, sometimes, kadang-kadang, occasionally, kadang-kadang, seldom, jarang, rarely, jarang. Okay? Example, positive. I like eating mango because it is sweet. She works for an hour. Tiara wants to swim in the swimming pool. Fanny and Dewi go to the market together. Okay. Example, negative. I don't like eating mango because it is sweet. She does walk for an hour. Tiara does want to swim in the swimming pool. Fanny and Dewi don't go to the market together. Example, interrogative. Do you like eating mango because it is sweet? Does she work for an hour? Does Tiara want to swim in the swimming pool? And do Fanny and Dewi go to the market together? Okay. Explanation of 5W plus 1H. It is a method used to collection complete and in-depth information. The abbreviation 5W plus 1H is what, apa, buat siapa, when, kapan, where di mana, why mengapa, and how bagaimana. Example 5W plus 1H. What are you doing? Who broke the plate? When you broke the plate? Where do you throw the broken plate? Why did this plate break? How are you doing? Okay? Here are some questions the simple present. Press the simple present. 1. I usually blah 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 to school. 2. They blah 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 use often. 3. You blah 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 basketball once a week. 4. Tom blah 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 every day. 5. I cookies twice a month. 6. I several jobs. 7. Fina blah 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 I very pretty girl. 8. My brother blah 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 my birthday blah 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 in June. Okay, practice simple present. 1. Blah 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 I'm not Haridita. A. I. B. He. She. 2. The boy blah 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 very polite. A. R. B. Is. C. Am. Okay, simple present summary. The simple present is a tense that is used to talk about something common, something that always happens repeatedly, or something common that the simple present is lived is the most commonly used every day. And finally, this is the reference I got from making a simple present PPT. Okay, maybe this is all I can say. Thank you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.